Hello, it's me again, doing my second reaction video by Darren Espanto. From my previous reaction video, I saw some comments below. It says here from Maria Katrina Ager, pronounce it right, okay. Darren's cover of I Believe by Fantasia Barrino on Wish 107.5. Again, Darren Espanto. I will make a reaction video on that cover song by Darren from I Believe, and then we'll do it now, okay? Without further ado, let's start. I'm so excited. So let's start, okay? Let's start.
Only here on Wish 107.5, once again, Darren Espanto.
It's waving.
Wish 107.5.
Have you ever reached a rainbow's end?
Oh my god, that melody.
And did you find your pot of gold? Ever catch the shooting star? And tell me how high did you soar? Ever felt like you were dreaming, just to find that you're away, and the magic that surrounds you can lift you up and guide you on your way. I can see it in the stars across the sky.
Whoa!
I've felt 100,000 dreams before, but now I finally realize
That voice!
You see, I'm waiting all my life for this moment to arrive, and finally, I believe.
That voice, the melody, everything is
When you
perfect.
look out in the distance, you'll see you never was that far. Oh no, heaven knows of your existence,
My god.
and it's to be everything you are. There's a time for every soul to fly. It's in the eyes of every child. It's the hope that love will save the world. And no,
Singing again.
we should never let it go. I can see it in the stars across the sky. I've dreamt 100,000 dreams before, but now I finally realize.
That's a pure Filipino talent, by the way. Darren Espanto.
For this moment to arrive, and
Sweating.
I believe in the impossible. If I receive within my heart, overcome any obstacle, let this dream just fall apart. You see, I'm trying to be the very best, shine my light from the sea. So anything is possible when you believe.
Again, that voice!
I've dreamt 100,000 dreams, and now I finally realize. So you'll see I'm waiting all my life for this moment to arrive, and finally, I believe.
Yeah, I believe you, Darren. Amazing
Yes, I
voice.
said I believe.
fun singing that song. There's no pressure at all. And he's not struggling. Even the high note. My God. Is that the voice of a 15 years old kid? He's 15, right? I saw the comments below. Yeah. He nailed it again. Second in a row. Again, Darren Espanto. Okay, Darren Espanto. Remember that name.
Love keeps lifting me higher,
Be updated.
So, again, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. Darren Espanto, you did it again. You can look in his face. He's not struggling. It's just like he's having fun. Oh my God. There's no pressure in his face singing that song. Honestly, remember, he's only 15. And that voice, oh my God, unpredictable. It's unpredictable. By the way, there's a subscribe button below. You can press the subscribe button so you can support my channel. So please do subscribe on my channel, okay? So thank you very much, and see you on my next reaction video soon, okay? Bye!